Hi guys, I'm Aliza, I work at Memodo, and today I'm going to show you one of our new inverters.
Memodo.
Here we have the SolarEdge Home Hub single-phase inverter for 3 to 6 kilowatts. It's the big brother to the StorEdge inverter, the previous generation. And for this inverter, together with the backup interface, you can actually use it to power your emergency supply in case of a blackout. The inverter has an efficiency of up to 99%, and you can overscale the DC side up to 200%. But if you do so, please always make sure to check it with the SolarEdge designer. What I think is really convenient with this inverter is that the antenna, as you can see right here, is already installed for communication with the home network. Through this antenna, you can communicate wirelessly with the home energy meter or with the high voltage home battery from SolarEdge. And the high voltage battery is actually the only battery that this inverter works with. So if you install it with the high voltage home battery from SolarEdge, you can have the whole ecosystem from SolarEdge. So now let's take a closer look inside the inverter where you're going to install it. Okay, let's have a look inside. All right, so starting on my right side is the communication channel where the antenna is already hooked up. Right next to that, you have the 2 PV strings, which are already prepared, and please always use MC4 connectors. Right next to that, you have the battery connectors. And all the way on my left side, you have the AC connector where you can hook up your home grid. All right, so I wish you lots of fun installing and see you next time. Bye.